Good morning. My name is Komal Ankush Kale. Today I will talk about the topic biochemical mechanism of medicine. Introduction. Biochemical pathways or metabolic pathway is a step-by-step series of interconnected biochemical reaction in which each step is catalyzed by a specific enzyme. During the series of chemical reaction, the substrate is converted into a product that in turn acts as a substrate for a subsequent reaction. Thus, a molecule substrate are being continuously converted into metabolic intermediates, eventually yielding a final product. Biochemical pathway definition. Biochemical pathways are a series of chemical reactions occurring in a living system. Biochemical pathways are synonymous with metabolic pathways. The word metabolism comes from a Greek word metabol, which means change, referring to all the chemical reactions that occur inside the organism body. These pathways are necessary for maintaining the homeostasis of the organism and to keep it alive. So essentially, this pathway consists of a series of enzyme activated reaction where the product of the reaction becomes the substrate for the next reaction to follow. Being multi-step, this pathway allow regulation mechanism to activate one pathway and inhibit another. Now, there are approximately 1,300 enzymes found in the human cell, and each of these enzymes are coded by a different gene. Metabolism takes place when these enzymes work synchronously, resulting in chemical reaction taking place at the rate of 37,000 billion time billions per second in the human body. Enzymes play a critical role as they are the only ones who are capable of making small minute changes to a molecular layer by either breaking a bond or making a bond. Types of biochemical pathways. These are basically two types of biochemical pathways. First, anabolic pathways, catabolic pathways, and third, amphibolic pathways. Anabolic pathway, it is a biosynthetic pathway where energy is required to form bonds. The pools of reactants, intermediates, and products are jointly called metabolites. The chemical reactions occurring are concerned with building up or product of larger, complex macromolecules from simpler micromolecules. A typical example is the synthesis of a sugar, glucose from CO2 and H2O. Other example include synthesis of fatty acids from acetylcholine, synthesis of larger protein from amino acid building blocks, and synthesis of a new DNA strand from nucleotides. These reactions constantly take place in the cell and are critical to the survival of the cell. These reactions demand the input of energy, which is provided by adenosine triphosphate and other high energy molecules such as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. The uptaken energy will be stored in the C-C bond of larger molecules. Explore more biosynthesis. List of example of major anabolic pathways. Photosynthesis, synthesis of glucose from CO2 and H2O. Pentose phosphate pathway, synthesis of pentose and release of reducing the power needed for the anabolic reaction. Glucogenesis, synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, mainly used by the brain. Protein biosynthesis, fatty acid synthesis, glycogenesis, synthesis of glycogen, primarily from glucose occur in liver and muscle. Also see carbon fixation. Catabolic pathway. These pathways have chemical reaction involve the breaking down of complex macromolecules into simpler micromolecules and hence the release of large amount of bond energy. A typical example is the breakdown of a sugar glucose into CO2 and H2O. During this reaction, energy stored in covalent bond such as a carbon-carbon bond will get released This pathway can also operate an energy storing molecules like lipids and glycogen to release energy and make ATP. Explore more ketogenesis.